Dear students, welcome back to your favorite channel Math Helper. See question number 10th of sample paper, which we have done up to question number 9 in triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is there like this. D and E are the points on side AB and AC respectively. D and E are the point on AB and AC such that D is parallel to BC. D is parallel to BC. If A is 2 centimeter, A is 2 centimeter, AD is 3 centimeter, BD is 4.5 centimeter. You have to find CE. You have to find CE. Now in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, you see angle A is equal to angle A because it is common. Then this, suppose 1, this is 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because they are corresponding angles. Therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by AA. If they are similar, you can write their sides in the ratio. So you can write AD over, which is side of small triangle, over AB, which is side of big triangle, over AE over side of big triangle AC. Now AD is 3. AB, you see, this is 3, this is 4.5. 3 plus 4.5, what will come? 7.5. AE is 2 and AC is 2 plus, suppose this is X. EC you want to find, so you can take X. Now when you will cross multiply it, you will get 3 into 2, 6 plus 3x equal to 7.5 into 2. You will get 15. So you will get 3x is equal to 15 minus 6. You will get 9. You will get 9. X you will get 9 over 3, that is 3. So EC will come 3 centimeter. CE or EC will come 3 centimeter. So like this you have to do question number 10th. Now see question number 11th. In question number 11, see on the paper how to do. In figure, B1, B2, B3 and A1, A2, A3 are marked at equal distance. Find in ratio C divides AB. You have to find ratio in which C divides AB. When you will join C to this point, it is coming up to 5. So, and total parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, ratio will come 8 ratio 5. So, directly you can write ratio is 8 ratio 5. Now, see question number 12th. You will see question number 12th. Sin A plus cos B is given equal to 1. A is given 30 degree and B is acute angle and you have to find B. So very simple, sin 30, A value you will put 30, you will get sin 30 plus cos B is equal to 1. So cos B will come 1 minus sin 30. Sin 30 is half. 1 minus half is half. So cos B came half. Now sin 30 is half, but cos 60 is half. Therefore B value will come 60 degree. If you will compare these, B value will come 60 degree. So like this you have to solve the trigonometry question. Now question number 13. X is equal to 2 sin square theta, y is equal to 2 cos square theta plus 1. You have to find x plus y. So x is this, y is this. You will add these equations. 2 sin square theta plus 2 cos square theta plus 1 you will get. Now out of these two first terms you will take 2 common. You will get sin square theta plus cos square theta, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 2 into 1 plus 1. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1, that is 3. So question number 13 you have to do like this. Now see question number 14. In a circle, diameter is given 42 centimeter. If diameter is 42, radius will be 21 centimeter and theta is given 60 degree. It is subtend angle 60 degree at the center. Pi value is 22 over 7. What will be the length of arc? Now formula of length of arc is theta over 360 into 2 pi r. You will solve it. Theta you will write 60 over 360 into 2 into 22 over 7 into r is 21. When you will solve, you will get length of arc will be, when you will solve it, you will get 6 here, 2 3s are 3 7s are 7 ones are. So length of arc you will get 22 centimeters. So like this you have to do question number 14. Now see question number 15. In question number 15, 12 solid spheres of same radii are made by melting a solid metallic cylinder of base 2 cm and height 60 cm. Find the diameter of each sphere. Now cylinder volume is pi r square h. Whenever melted word is there, you have to take volume, and it is melted. This cylinder is melted and made sphere. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and 12 spheres are made, so their volumes will be equal. When you will put the values, pi into r value you will put, r is 1, so 1 square into h value you will put, that is 16, and 12 into 4 by 3. Pi value no need to put because pi will be cancelled, and r you want to find, radius you want to find. Pi cancel, 3 4s are 12, so 1 square is 1, so 16 into 4 is 16 into r cube. 16 ones are 16, so r cube will come 1, so r will come 1 centimeter. But you have to find diameter. Diameter is 2 into r, so 2 into 1, 2 centimeter will come the diameter. Now one option is there in this question. Firstly see question number 16. It is two questions are there. Option is there in this question. Find the probability of getting a doublet in a throw of a pair of dice. Doublet means like 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 or 6 6. Total number of cases are 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 cases of doublet are there, and total cases, if a pair of dice is thrown, total cases are 36. 6 ones are 6, 6 is the 36. So one required probability is 1 by 6. So required probability is 1 by 6 is the answer. Now one option is there in this question. That question is also a probability. Find the probability of a black queen when a card is drawn at random. So black queen, 2 are there and total cards are 52. So required probability will be 2 over 52. So 1 over 26. Now case study based questions are there. You have to attempt them. It is compulsory to attempt them. You can see here. But 4 parts are there of each case study based question, and you can attempt 4 questions. 4 subpart you can attempt. So it is not that much difficult. So I will solve it for you. Case study based question. The diagram show the plans for a sunroom. It will be built onto the wall of a house. The 4 walls of sunrooms are square clear glass panels. The roof is made using, so you have to read it carefully and you have to see. Not to scale means this is the actual diagram of that room. Now this is top view. Top view means if you will see from top, you will get this type of view. And front view means if you will see from the front, you will get this view of this room. Now refer to top view. Find the midpoint of the segment joining. So points are given, you have to find midpoint. So midpoint formula you can use. Many videos I made on this topic. You can subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed and find that videos. Now very easy midpoint formula is 6 plus 9, that will come 15. 6 plus 9 over 2 and 17 plus 16 over 2. This is midpoint formula x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. 15 over 2, what you will get? 15 over 2, 17 plus 16, so 33 by 2. So option is there, so no need to convert into decimal. Third option is correct. So third option is correct. Now question number B part, you see the distance of point P from y-axis is. So this you can, no need to calculate, you can find from the diagram. So distance of point P from y-axis, you see carefully, y-axis, distance of point P from y-axis. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. You can see this shown a y, so this is also y. So you will count the boxes. 4 boxes away P is there from this y-axis, so you will write P equal to 4. So first part you will, 4 is the answer. So first part you can tick. Now refer to front view, the distance between point A and S. Now front view, you see this distance between A and S. You will count all the boxes carefully and number of boxes will come 16. 1, 2, 3, 4 you will count, you will get 16. So 16 is the answer. So third option you can tick. Now find the coordinate of point which divides the line segment joining the point A and B in ratio 1:3 internally. So you have to divide them so that they will divide them in 1:3 internally. Now you see properly that A and B points you want to find and ratio is given 1:3. You have to use the section formula. Now when you will see from this front view one A, here 0 is there. From 0 this one you will count. So you will get x coordinate. X coordinate will come, A coordinate, x coordinate will come, A point x coordinate will come 1. Now B is 5 away from it. You will see B is 4 away from A. 1, 2, 3, 4. See here carefully, 4 away. So B x coordinate will be 5. Now see y coordinate of A. You have to count from here. 0 you have to count. Y coordinate, when you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are there, 8 squares. See carefully. So this will come 8. Now y coordinate of B, because A and B only 2 columns difference is there. 2 columns difference is there. So if A is 8, B will come 10. Otherwise from 0 you can count these squares. So you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here what will come? 10. Now you have to use the section formula. That means if this is m1, this is m2, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2, you will get 1 into 5 plus 3 into 1 over 1 plus 3. 1 into 5 is 5, 1 into 3 is 3 over 1 plus 3 is 4. So 8 over 4 you will get 2. Now this is x coordinate, y coordinate will come 1 into 10 plus 3 into 8 over 1 plus 3. 1 into 10, 10. 8 plus 3 is 24 over 4. So you will get 34 over 4. 2 2s are 2 17s are 17 over 2, 8.5. So 2, 8.5 is its answer. So 2, 8.5 is its answer. Now E part very simple. No need to see the diagram. Diagram also you can find, but simply also you can find from coordinate geometry one, that if a point xy is equidistant from Q, Q is there 9, 8, S is there 17 and 8, and one point is there xy, it is equidistant. Equidistant means the distance is same. So you can use the distance formula and you can put them equal and you will square. I am doing in short because this is 1 mark question. So I am doing short, not wasting much time. 8 minus y and y minus 8 square is same only, so you can cancel. Now x square minus 18x plus 9 square is 81. 17 square, what will come? 17 square 119. 289. 289 plus x square minus 34x. Now x square again cancel. Minus 18x plus 34x is equal to 289 minus 81. Now you will solve 289 minus 81. You will get 208. You will get 208. And 34 minus 18 you will get 16. So 16x will come 208 over 16. When you will divide, you will get x value 13. X value will get 13. So x minus 13 equal to 0 is the answer. X minus 13 equal to 0 is the answer. So second option is correct. X minus 13 equal to 0. Now 18 question, case study based 2, scale factor and similarity scale factor. So firstly you can read this. When paper it is coming, you have to use this, read this. So main is scale factor is length in image or corresponding length in object. Means model is there, object is there. So scale factor is length in image or model over length of the object. Model is always smaller than object. This you have to keep in minds. This is rotation or turn, this is reflection, this is translation or slide. Now A part, model of boat is made up of scale 1:4. Means if model is scale is 1:4. अब आपको पता ही है कि if model is there, if its length is 4, then length of boat length is 4, the model length will be 1. मॉडल की छोटी होगी ना बोट से. The model is 120 centimeter long. The full size of boat has width of 60 centimeter. What is the width of scale model? अब बोट की लेंथ is 60 centimeter. You have to find width of the scale model. Scale model width you have to find. Now 1/4 into 60 you will do, because scale factor is 1/4. So you will cancel. You will get 15. So 15 centimeter will be the width of scale model. Model length will be 1/4 of the actual width. 120 is given to confuse you, so don't get confused with it. You have to take the full size of the boat, whose width is 60 centimeter, and that you have to divide by, multiply by 1/4, or 60 divided by 4, you will get 15. So third option you will write here. Now B part, when we will do similarity chapter, you have to read the theory part also. So what will be effect of similarity of any two polygons? Two polygons are similar, so they will not form mirror image of one another. Mirror image can be formed when they are congruent, then when all the parts are equal, then only they can form mirror image. So fourth part you have to tick here. C part, if two similar triangle have scale factor A:B, which statement regarding the two triangle is true? So the altitude have a ratio A:B. This will be correct, because similar triangle is there, and similar triangle corresponding height ratio will be altitude have the ratio A:B. Therefore second part will be true. D part, the shadow of stick 5 meter long. A stick is there 5 meter long, its shadow is 2 meter. 5 meter stick की shadow is 2 meter. At the same time shadow of a tree 12.5 meter high is there. So D part you see, you will write in ratio 5 corresponding 2 is there. So at what time the shadow of tree is 12.5 meter, you have to find the length of shadow. You will take x, cross multiply. 5 into x will be 12.5 into 2, that will come 25. So 5x is equal to 25, x will come 25 over 5, that will come 5. So 5 meter is the answer. So fourth part you have to tick. E part, below you see a student mathematical model like this. Again model is given and the actual building is given. Actual building is given and model is given. What is the length of EF? EF is one of the horizontal edge of the block. Very easy. See, this triangle is similar to triangle TAB is similar to TEF. If they are similar, by midpoint theorem, this EF will be half of AB. AB is given. EF will be half of AB, and AB is given 12 meter. So EF will be half of 12, that will come 6 meter. So 6 meter you have to tick. So out of these case study questions, you have to do, each have 5 parts, so you have to do 4 part. So you can see carefully, if any doubt is there you can leave that part, and remaining part you can do. Remaining questions video I will put tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.